The new Speedy Smart laser systems, paired with Atmos Pure exhaust systems, seamlessly blend exhaust control and laser operations through Trotec's Ruby laser software. Speedy Smart systems allow for integrated exhaust settings, convenient filter status, maintenance monitoring, and materials that can communicate with the machines, all in the Ruby software, maximizing efficiency. The Ruby laser software becomes the central hub for efficient service and maintenance to ensure the reliable operation of your machine. Green symbols in the Ruby service dashboard confirm that all lids are closed, and temperature sensors make it possible to detect excessively high ambient temperatures at an early stage and take appropriate countermeasures. The Atmos Pure extraction system communicates bidirectionally with the Speedy Smart laser, which showcases the filter saturation. The Ruby software also allows you to control the exact exhaust flow rate, allowing for automatic adjustment of extraction power for each material for optimal and consistent results. Trotec's line of new smart materials, coming soon, will allow materials to communicate with Speedy Smart machines. When used, these materials automatically update the materials database in the Ruby software, producing more consistent results. The Speedy Smart laser machine features an advanced intelligent support feedback system that facilitates seamless monitoring and control of various aspects of laser operation. This enables users to efficiently track performance and receive timely notifications for service and support needs. Overall, the Trotec connected solution will provide seamless integration of lasers, exhaust systems, materials, and smart maintenance for superior laser processing speed. For more information on Trotec laser systems, scan this code or see our website at troteclaser.com.